Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the motor replacement process for your Dyson V10 vacuum, you'll need to gather a few essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a Torx screwdriver set. Before starting, ensure your vacuum is unplugged to avoid any accidents. First, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws carefully. Place them in a small container to avoid losing any pieces. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back cover off. This may require a bit of wiggling, as the cover can be snug. Next, you will see the motor assembly. Before proceeding, it's crucial to clean any dust or debris inside the vacuum. A clean environment will help ensure the longevity of your new motor. You can use a dry cloth or an air blower for this task. Now, take your Torx screwdriver and remove the screws holding the motor in place. Remember to keep track of these screws as well, as you'll need them for the reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently pull the motor out of its housing. Be cautious, as there may be wires connected to the motor. If you're unsure about handling the wiring, keep in mind that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to assist you with this process. After removing the old motor, it's time to install the new one. Align the new motor in the same position as the old one, making sure the wires are correctly placed. Once aligned, secure it in place by replacing the screws with your Torx screwdriver. If you don't have the tools necessary for this replacement, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can avoid the hassle of going out. Our service includes a quote before repair, allowing you to make an informed decision. Next, replace the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing it down until it clicks into place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to reinsert the screws and secure the cover firmly. Finally, give your vacuum a thorough inspection to ensure everything is in order. Plug it back in and test it out to see if the new motor is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues or prefer not to handle this yourself, we have options for no calls, no travel solutions for your convenience. This step-by-step guide has covered the essential process of replacing the motor in your Dyson V10 vacuum. With these instructions, you can restore your vacuum to optimal performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.